Hey, what up YouTube? Daniel and Brittany here from Welch Collectibles. Today we're doing a little Sacred Legacy unboxing. Let's get right into it. And here it is, the P106, Jesus of Nazareth, the chosen one. We'll go ahead and take it out of this eBay authentication sleeve. We'll go ahead and pull it from the promo sleeve. And Brittany will need a penny sleeve for this one. I'm going to be careful with this thing. And there he is.
It's beautiful.
This is a beautiful card. In the back, two turtle doves. I think the symbolism is in the Old Testament, turtle doves were used as a sin offering. They had to be perfect without spot. And then Jesus became the ultimate sacrifice for all of our sins. He was perfect without spot.
Without a blemish. I love the wingspan.
Yeah.
Love that.
This is a very beautiful card. It's his rookie card. But yeah, we'll go ahead and put it in a card saver. This is going to go right to grading. Get in there. Perfect. All right. Thanks for watching.